This is Alard item Y5825. It is a Lyco and or Hughes Blancher. Lyco acquired Hughes. This seems to have Lyco's fingerprints all over it if you look at the markings and so forth as to how they are very identical to the markings on Lyco Blanchers, but Lyco, and this isn't the first time, disavows knowledge of used equipment, so I guess we're going to have to call it a Hughes, but it is what it is. It is a hot water rotary blancher. It is 4-foot diameter by 11-foot, 8-inch long. I guess it's an 11-foot reel. Has a paddle wheel discharge. It has very fine 1/16 of an inch screens. The Blancher drum, the reel itself, seems to be new. It is in like new condition. Looks like they probably replaced the Blancher drum at some point. It has a power lift. There is a little dent here, but these screens come off and you can pop that right out with your hand. It has the in-feed chute here, a drive. It has a 10 horsepower pump, stainless steel here that comes with it. It has the steam plumbing that came in on it. It's all stainless steel. Screens come off for USDA sanitary compatibility. So we just wanted to show you how nice and smoothly it runs. Show you the screens all the way around and the removers. We do have that screen. We just took this one off to show it to you. It is right here, as a matter of fact. So that pretty much sums things up. So it is a hot water rotary blancher, 4-foot diameter reel, 11-foot 8-inch long. I got written down here. In stock here at Alard Equipment. If you have any questions about this, any of the specifics of it, give us a call at 315-589-4511. We have a large inventory here, and if you need one that's bigger or smaller or wider or narrower or shorter or taller, we may very well have something that will scratch your itch. In the meantime, if you want to get more information on this particular piece, it is our item Y5825 in stock at Alard Equipment Company in very good operational, mechanical, and cosmetic condition, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.